Let's take a look at this problem. Okay, a woman invests 33,000, part at 8% and the rest at 9.5%. If the 9.5% investment provides 597.5 more income than 8%, how much is invested each rate? So we're looking at how much is invested each rate. So I'm going to have the amount at 9.5%. That's 9.5%. That's going to be my x. And then our amount at the 8%, if my total amount is 33,000, then this will have to be 33,000 minus x. For example, if I put 10,000 in here, well, 33,000 minus 10,000 means I put 23,000 here. So that's why there has to be the setup like this. Okay, now what we're doing is we're comparing the, what are we comparing? The, more income than, okay, so we're comparing income of 9.5% to the income of 8%. Now, just generally, you take your amount times your percent. So on this side, we're going to have 0.095, changing it to decimal form, times x. Over on this side, we're going to have 0.08 times 33,000 minus x. Now I always have a little bit of trouble with these because it says the 9.5 investment provides 597.5 more income. More income. So this is that much more. So if I subtract 597.5, I think that'll work. If it isn't, then it's addition. I always have to just try it and see. It'll be obvious when you come up with it. Let me think. Okay, I got this amount, and if I subtract this, because it's 597.5 more, it should give me the other amount. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Okay, so we got 0.095x minus 597.5. Then we're going to take 0.08 times 33,000. You see this here, right here. I already solved this problem for somebody else. Unfortunately, I don't remember what I did. Nice if I had a good memory. 0.08 times 33,000. 2640. Minus 0.08x. Now I'm going to get everything with an x on one side. So I take that 0.08x over, it becomes a positive 0.08x. And I take the negative 597 over, it becomes a positive 597.5. If I add these together, I stink at decimals, but I think it's 0.175. Plus 0.08. Yeah, 0.175. And then 2640 plus 597.5. 3237.5. Then I'll divide both sides by 0.175 to get x by itself. And this divided by 0.175, 18,500. That would be my x, so that would be what this is. Now my other one is 33,000 minus x. Minus 18,500, 14,500. Okay, now let's think this through now. If I plug that in here, I'd have 0.095 times the x. So 0.095 times 18,500, 1757.5. So my income here would be 1757.5. Now if I plugged it over here, 0.08 times 14,500, 0.08 times 14,500, 1160. Let's read the problem again. More income than how much is in? Okay, so the 9.5 investment provides this much more income. This is larger, so that's good, and it does look like it's correct. This is 597.5 greater than this. I'm assuming, based upon the numbers. So I did set it up right. It's tricky because it says more. You think it's addition, but it's actually the opposite in that case. I don't always get it right. I just try a sign. I try to think of it logically, and then I try a sign. And if it doesn't work, it'll be obvious it's the other one.